Good morning, everybody. Well, it's like actually nearly 12 o'clock, but I have just gotten out of bed. I've been awake for a while, but on my phone watching TikToks in bed, so not really awake. Today I decided I would do a bit of a day in my life, so I don't have work today because I thought that would be really boring to film, and I've got a couple things that I want to get done today. I'm going to start off by writing a to-do list so that I've got everything written down. I just find that I work better when I have a to-do list, but first things first. Ew, do you mind? First things... What the f... Our lounge room's looking a bit interesting at the moment. There's our birds. Hey. We're getting construction. We're getting a door put in just here because it's like the door to the kitchen, and there's a door frame but no door, and it's really cold because none of the windows in the kitchen close, so we're getting a door put in today, and that's the mess from either the door and the birds. And yeah, hey, hello, hey Rhino, how are you? Hey Woody, hi. This is a very makeshift table. I was going to have some coffee, but I just realized I'm out. Sorry about the birds. They don't like being moved, so they're just like over there. But I've just run out of coffee, and so I'm getting more coffee at around 1 when we go pick up our like shopping, like our groceries. So I'm gonna have coffee then. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this now. I'm so excited. That was so good. So Max has just gone to pick up the shopping that we've got. I'm just sitting in the room. I'm currently just watching some YouTube videos. But yeah, so that's kind of what we've got going on right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna have a shower soon, then do my makeup.
Do the thing. It doesn't work.
It's not an auto. It's not an auto. You have to press the next to it, next to it. Yeah, hold it lightly.
Get these.
You know?
Oh hey! Didn't see you there. We're just shopping. It's very deadly. But look.
Wait, did my coffee come?
You should. Look. Cans. There you go, all your coffees. avocado. Thanks.
Avocado. Thanks.
So we did an order online, even though supermarkets are open, and picked up a bunch of groceries. So, but we just realised that quite a few of them haven't actually been picked and given to us. So we're just having a look. So I had a shower and I got dressed and I shampooed my hair. I didn't condition it. You'll see why in a bit. But Max had to go back to the supermarket because they did miss quite a few items that didn't show up. So he had to go and pick those up. So he should be back soon. And for the time being, I am just watching some YouTube and I'm about to do my makeup. Hey, excuse the mess. I will get to that maybe. Where's my moisturizer?
Which then means Eugene would be...
I just finished my makeup. I decided to go with a pink makeup look today with some gold. I feel so much better having makeup on. It just makes me feel like I'm ready for the day even though it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for my hair to dry and then I'm gonna... Oh, my hair is pretty much dried. So I'm just gonna brush it out and then, yeah, I think I might dye it, maybe. We'll see. I've never dyed my hair before, ever, so this will be interesting.
No, you got red lipstick on.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
We got doors! I'm obsessed with the color of that one. I love mustard, and so I was super excited when he put it on because, like, that's the sort of color door I'd choose. And then this one is super dirty, so that needs to be cleaned. Ah, the birdies! There we go. And then I'll move this couch back.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Does it still open all the way?
This door?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's like perfect.
Right.
Just enough.
Yeah. Okay, it's happening. I might turn the light on. I'm so orange lighting in here, I'm so sorry. But I'm going to dye my hair. So I'm gonna try and find a place that you guys can sit. Okay, I think we're good. I've got a towel. I'm wearing a turtleneck. I might have to take my turtleneck off because it's white and I don't want it to be colored. Okay, and I'm going to put a towel that's kind of damp around myself as well. So my hair is really dry and actually really soft. I never don't condition it. Excuse me, it seems old. got this colour here. It's semi-permanent conditioning hair colour. It's from Lafiche Directions. It's like really cheap stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna grab some gloves. Okay, I don't know where to start. Should I do it in like layers? What would Brad Mondo do? I think I'm gonna put like half of my hair up. Yeah, let's just work with this bottom part for now, right? I even like the colour pink much. It's so dark. Sorry about the sound of the fan. It's attached to the light, so I can't use the light without the fan going on. Okay, I'm gonna come back in 15 minutes to rinse it off, and hopefully it doesn't look bad. I've got so much on my face. Oh my god, I didn't even notice. Okay, I need to clean that off with something. It's been 15 minutes and that's how it's looking, so I am now going to wash it off. I've just finished rinsing, and so hopefully I got enough out. There's a lot on the towel, as you can see. I never use heat on my hair. I'm just going to towel dry this hair until it's dry, and I'll show you what that looks like. I have to like crouch down real low so you can see it. So my hair's been on this towel for a while, so I'm just going to take it off and have a look. It's still wet, so this is not, it's so bright. Okay, I'm just gonna brush it through. Okay, I'm gonna quickly put it back up in the towel, and I'm about to go and show the boys.
Not too bad.
Look how bright it is.
Yeah, and your ends.
Yeah.
Your ends are bright, but like I said, the top of your hair didn't take it as much, and it's quite dark.
Do you like it though?
Yeah.
Do you think I suit it?
Yeah, you look like an e-girl.
Oh shit. Does it look better in this light? Oh yeah, you can definitely see it a whole lot more. Yeah, my ends are so light. Hey Jack.
Whoa, okay. Whoa, lip.
Like it?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so my hair is dry. It really didn't take to the top of my hair very much, but it is very bright on the bottom. I think I like it. I'm not like, I mean, it's gonna wash out anyways, and it's gonna lighten over time. Like every time I shower, it's gonna get lighter, so I'm not like annoyed at it, I guess. It's currently 7:30, so I'm just going to see what we're doing for dinner. We also got a shelf put in, so this is the shelf. It's actually really cute, and so it's got all of our stuff on it now. And Max cleaned up this area, so it looks really nice, and now I'm going to make some dinner. In this lighting, it looks quite cute. Okay, I'm just gonna make some dinner. I'm gonna make some chicken pasta, just something really basic. I've been vegetarian for the longest time. Well, not the longest, but like I've been vegetarian for many years, and I've only just recently started eating chicken again. It's the only meat that I'll eat, and that's because Max doesn't eat vegetarian, like he's not vegetarian, and it just got too expensive to cook 2 separate meals every single night. So instead we just decided, I decided that like I could go back to eating chicken, and like I was kind of hoping I would hate it, but it's made me feel a lot more energetic and a lot more healthy, and So yeah, and I think that like if I liked fish, I would have been pescatarian, but I hate fish and seafood, so chicken's kind of like the other option, and I try my best to only buy free range chicken and eggs. I've always only bought free range eggs and stuff, so yeah. It's now 9:30 at night, and this is usually the time that Max and I go to bed, which is where we're at right now. Max is just getting ready. Usually, most nights, we watch MasterChef together, but MasterChef isn't on tonight, unfortunately, so we just usually watch our own thing. Sometimes we watch a movie, and I just take my makeup off, and yeah, that's generally how 24 hours in my life goes. So yeah, I'm just probably going to watch some YouTube until I fall asleep. I think from now on out I'm going to be uploading new videos every Saturday, just because it gives me an extra day, considering Friday's my only day off during the week, every week, and so it just means I've got a whole extra day to film without having to worry about working. So I think that's the plan from now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this day in my life and seeing me dye my hair for the first time. I look like Avril Lavigne, especially with my Elvis top on. I look kind of early 2000s punk rock, but it's fine. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit the big red subscribe button down below. I post videos every single week, and yeah, it would mean a lot to me if you join my little family here on my channel. Smile, be safe, and stay beautiful, and I'll see you in my next video. Adios.
Don't tell me, baby, 'cause I don't really wanna know what happened last night. Oh no, just say it wasn't